Hi guys, so today I'll be walking you through the typical day in the life of an LSE Law student. My morning usually starts at 8 or 9 a.m. and I get into my morning routine, which includes me brushing my teeth, washing my face, putting on toner, moisturizer, and doing my makeup. And I choose my outfit and get ready for the day. Usually I try and eat breakfast, but if I'm rushing for class then I might skip that and just have breakfast or lunch right after class instead. So today I have two classes, and the first class is my jurisprudence class at the Hong Kong Theatre. For law students at LSE, classes are usually 1 hour long, except for a few modules that are sometimes 2 hours long. So after my jurisprudence class, I make my way to the center building for my IT law class. I always really look forward to my IT law class because I love the center building and I love my teacher. She always makes things so much easier to understand, and you can just tell that she loves her job. Then I make my way home and I put down my stuff and get ready to prepare my lunch. One of my go-to meals is just taking a piece of salmon, putting on some salt, pepper, and thyme, and baking it for 15 minutes. Then it's time to study. So where I study on a given day depends on my mood. Today I'm studying at home and I'm just watching some lectures and doing some readings for the class that I have later on in the week. If I feel like it, I might go to the LSE Center building to study instead. I love grabbing a cup of coffee or any other drink I feel like having and then just camping upstairs and enjoying the view while I do my work. Honestly, I think my most favorite place to study is the LSE library. I love coming with my friends or just going there by myself and bringing along a cup of bubble tea or chai latte. The library is also really convenient because right outside there's a cafe, so if I'm ever hungry, I just go and grab a quick snack and continue being productive. Usually it's pretty crowded, but I'm filming on a day where it's like the last week of school in the Michaelmas term, so it's really empty.
So I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody.
After trying to be productive for the whole day, at night it's time for some fun. There's really a lot to do in London and in LSE, so what I do depends on the day. Sometimes I go out for a meal with my friends. Sometimes I go ice skating. This was at Somerset House and it was really fun. Or if it's a Tuesday night, you will probably find me at the LSE choir practice. And if the LSE Law Society is having any socials, you'll probably find me there too. And then I just go home and I go to sleep.